हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम ऑन YourPedia एंड एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया का एग्जाम डेट की आप वेट कर रहे थे। 14 जुलाई को आ गई है, 14 जुलाई को आपका एग्जाम है। और एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया बहुत मेटिकुलस एग्जाम कंडक्ट करता है, रिजल्ट निकालता है और आप उसके बाद आपको जॉब लगती है। 14 जुलाई को एग्जाम है और YourPedia 21 जून को आपको इसका एक माइक्रो मॉड्यूल अनाउंस कर रहा है। ऑल ऑफ यू हु आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर दिस एग्जाम कैन टेक दैट माइक्रो मॉड्यूल फ्रॉम 21st June. And 14 July is your exam in Airport Authority of India. Now what this micro module will have? As you are already aware that YourPedia has invested a lot of time and resources past couple of months in creating the content which is very relevant, very precise and concise, just related to the exam. So micro module will be providing you different subjects like maths, reasoning, physics, English, all these things, the questions from these topics which you may get in the actual exam. So micro module will be having test series, it will be having question bank with the detailed solution, learning content of that, classes of the mentors. So 20 days crash course kind of thing is the micro module of YourPedia. If you seriously want to clear this exam of Airport Authority of India, you cannot afford to miss this micro module. This will brush up your all the concepts, and all of those who are very well prepared obviously can take benefit of this micro module, but those who have not prepared very well and they have not completed entire course, micro module gives you opportunity to complete entire course and revise everything in very well suited time. So within less time you can revise entire module. So micro module of YourPedia will be launched from 21st June and this will be for 20 days, and obviously before your exam you can cover it up everything. It is going to be very effective. So the mentors of YourPedia have invested a lot of time in finding those topics from where questions can be asked in the actual your exam. So let's start friends. 14 July is the exam. Micro module along with the preparation we crack Airport Authority of India exam. All the very best. Thank you.